everyone. My name is Lisa. I'm 5 years old today. I'm happy. It's now October. There is the seashell. There is the flag. There is a turtle. There is starfish. There is stingray. There is catfish. There is crab. There is whale. There is dolphin. There is there is a there are two there are octopus. There there are one dolphin. There is two dolphins. There are two dolphins. Four crabs. Two stingrays. There are two stingrays. There are three turtles. The green. It's pink. Stingray. It's gray. It's red.